Shout out.
Hello, welcome to the Philippines. I'm 60 years old and I'm healthy.
Guys, this is my team sa Dragon Boat. Actually, mga ano ba kami guys? We're teenagers. May upcoming kami. Ngayong this August ba? August 18? August 18 and August 18, yeah, August 18. Hi kayo guys! Mga isa sa mga teammate namin guys. Brother Dem.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Buksan mga brother yung paddle. Ito yung isa sa mga paddle namin guys na ginagamit sa pang-race. Wait lang, binubuksan pa ni brother.
This is the race paddle that we are going to use.
So, yan. So, ganyan yung form guys ng namin. Ng team namin. Yan. Yan. Good. This paddle guys is worth 4-1. Saan mo ito nabili? Brother Dan?
From China.
From China. Order from Shopee.
No, it's a bulk order.
Bulk
From a
order.
site.
Yes. Get your orders now.
Okay.
So while waiting sa sundo namin, naglaro kami. Yan. Yan guys. Yan. Nagbuo sila guys.
Matandog. Takpan kalokohan.
Yan.
Labay.
Start na kami guys. Magkuha ng mga paddle guys kasi pupunta na kami sa training site. So ito yung paddle ko guys. Brother Ryle.
Yes. Hello.
Pakita mo sa'yo.
What's up, everybody?
Yan. So training base.
Sakay ma'am.
Yan.
Lagi mo sakay kay Kapan. Tubigyan ko po.
Gutom kami ngayon. So bili kami ng itlog para hindi exhausting sa sa training.
Hindi ma-fatigue.
Yan. Ano sabi mo brother?
Hindi ma-fatigue.
Ikaw brother. Para hindi
Comment.
So yun guys, we arrived na sa training sites. Shout out.
Hello, welcome to the Philippines. I'm 60 years old and I'm healthy.
Actually guys, nakitraining lang kami dito. So we're gonna do our best to train.
Warm up. Yes.
Yeah. Siyempre naman, bago mag-training, siyempre warm up talaga. Yung first, to avoid injury. Yun. Yan yung mga teammate ko guys. Dami daw namin. So kami, nag-start na kami. Start our training. Yan.
Ready, attention.
So, thank you for watching guys. After the training, we rest na and decided to get back home. So, thank you for watching guys. Follow for more. Thank you.